I'm going to go over my favorite types of machines. Over the years, I've tried so many different types of machines, and these are the machines that I would consider that I like the most. When we're talking about rotary machines versus digital machine, I have tried digital machines for brows, lips, and eyeliner. I gotta say I like using rotary machine more because I like that powerfulness. Bellar Air is a wireless machine. The stroke length is 3.0 millimeter. This machine, I would say the lowest that I can go to would be like a 4 or 5 voltage. It's great for like eyeliner procedures, sometimes lips procedure. I don't typically use this one as much anymore just because I feel like the way it punctures the skin for me is not as fast. The Mini Flux, this one is also a wireless rotary machine. This machine works great for brows, for me, for especially powder brows. The type of needles that I'm using is long taper, and I feel like with this machine it works better with like medium taper or short taper. And I got this machine as a 3.0 millimeter stroke length as well. The cons would be that it doesn't have a digital screen that tells you what speed you're at. So if you're doing hair strokes with this machine, it's especially really hard because you don't know what speed you're on. Mast Tour, and the model is called Amy. This machine is 4.0 in stroke length. For me, I find that working with 4.0 stroke length for powder brows, for lip blush and eyeliner is the best. Especially I'm using long taper needles. It works really good for me. This is my daily machine that I use to do all of my procedures. Sometimes I use this machine for hair strokes as well. The lowest that this machine can go to is 4.0 voltage. The machine can be used for pretty much all permanent makeup procedures as well as tiny tattoo. This machine I only use for tiny tattoo because it's super powerful. I got this machine in 4.0 millimeter stroke length. To me, again, like I mentioned, I really like working with long stroke machine because it's powerful. I use long taper needles. Sometimes I use extra long taper needles. So this machine, I really like it for like tiny tattoo or tattooing procedures. So I only use this machine for tattooing purposes. This machine is the Bellar V2. Stroke length is 2.7 millimeter. It works great for hair strokes, and this is actually a wired one. It's not wireless, so if you get this one, you would have to get like a power source, and it can be any power source. It can be the critical one. Right now I'm using the Aurora 2. It's just because I'm used to it. Doing hair strokes, it's important that your speed can go below 4.0 voltage, so that way you can go really slow for shaded stroke. So right now Bellar V2 is the one that I really like, that I use to work on all of my hair strokes, my combo, nano pixie brows procedures. And I only use this for brows. I don't use it for lips or eyeliner. For lips and eyeliner, I use the Mast Tour Amy. So these are my two favorite machines that I'm using, and I switch back and forth depending on what procedures I'm doing. But if it's hair strokes, it's definitely this. If it's powder brows, lips, eyeliner, I use the Mast Tour Amy. Sometimes I use I do hair strokes with this as well, but this one, if you want to do really precise, good hair stroke work, this machine is really worth it. All right, so I hope this helps with your decision in shopping for your machine. Thank you so much for watching.